This is a 1950s or 60s RCA AM only, just portable transistor radio with the impact case. And as you can see, plastic is disintegrating and warped. Kind of looks like it has a hubcap in the middle of the dial. I picked this up for $1. Thought, it's a cute little radio. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. If it does, well, it does. First, I gotta get this off to clean it. Just hope I don't break it. What I should really do is grab 2 screwdrivers. That'd be the smart thing to do. Well, it just seems to be very flimsy. Again, I don't really want to break it. So, I'm just going to keep at it until it either breaks or I pop it off. So, not sure what to do about this. Let's see if I have something in this drawer that'll help me. Maybe that. Or that could work too. Okay. Maybe with an X-Acto knife I could do this. Or 2. Probably wondering why I have 2 X-Acto knives. I just do. No, this won't come off. This is a dumb idea for scissors. Problem is, I don't want to break it. I don't know if I'm even scratching. I don't know if I'm scratching up the metal either. I don't think I am. Let's see if I can get this, at least some of this crud off by doing this. I'm using these Dyno Wipe IPA 70% alcohol. Those are what I have on hand, and they actually work pretty well. It's doing a little bit. But it looks like most of that crud is on the inside. Kind of see the numbers and things, but... Oh, wait, what? This is coming off. Dang it, come on. Oh, dang it. I almost had it that time, too. Oh. Oh. Well, that's a good thing I didn't pull that off. It's just threaded on there. So now, I think it should be pretty easy. Yep. Look at that. Now this. Ugh. That's already way better. It's not there yet. That's my chair squeaking. I gotta put a little bit of lubrication in it. Oh yeah, that's getting better. Not perfect, but better. Let me try scraping this stuff off because it doesn't seem to want to come off particularly very much. So next best thing would be to just start scraping it off very carefully. It's looking a bit better. Actually, the scraping technique is working pretty well. Some nasty stuff on here. That's looking better. You can see where all the are scraped away. That crud. I think the same thing. I think this is the same thing that happens on Philco Predicta. What is it called? The front cover for the CRT picture tube. I think it's the same thing. That's fine. Just scrape it away. I really should be using is not a planer scraper or something like that. Yeah. Well, at least I can clean this now. This front part here. I should clean up very nicely. Oh yeah, it is. And luckily I didn't seem to scratch it with my stupidity earlier. Well, I wouldn't say stupidity, just feeling around to see if I could see what I could do. Oh yeah, that looks 100% better. There's the civil defense markers. So this is about from the 50s. This is from the 50s then. Like all chewed up. Usually that does because people sometimes it gets a little cramped, not cramped, stuck in there. So you take a screwdriver to it, like I am, and just pop off the back. There is the back, by the way. Just pop that back in there so I can moves freely enough. Oh man, you could see those. You can actually see the letters now. See, there's where you tune in to hear about the civil defense. what to do in case of a bombing, which thankfully has never happened, and hopefully will never happen. Although I do think that getting rid of the civil defense was kind of a little bit hasty. I wouldn't say hasty, more kind of not really the best idea. And again, they I guess they never really got rid of it. They just kind of left it to the wayside. At least that's what I heard. But enough about that. There is the model number, model J9. I don't know why. Oh, because J at the end. Dash BT dash 9J. 9-BT dash 9J. This is not where I bought it, but I bought it at a local antique store. Actually, that's not. I don't know how they got this radio, because Turin, New York is nowhere near here. But oh well. Speaker's loose for some bizarre reason. Oh, look at that. Foam is actually still somewhat squishy. Isn't that nice? There's that. All these transistor radios had, well, I shouldn't say all, but most of them did. But yeah, that already looks way better. Way better. But there's still a long ways to go. And I don't think you guys should suffer for that. In the next episode of I don't repair this radio, I clean it and see if it works. If it doesn't, then I just put it on a shelf. I will be testing this radio, and by then I will have this hopefully all cleaned up. So I'll see you in the next video, which should be of this again. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff. And I'll see you next one. Bye.